So Silent Pool Distillers is a small distillery near Guildford in Surrey. We make Silent Pool gin, which is our famous gin that's exported UK and worldwide. We use Bevica extensively, so it's enabled us to pull together information without any gaps. And what we've found recently is we're having to be a lot more agile. With the new normal, we've got to respond to changes in marketing channels much more rapidly than we did before.
Every now and again we'll get contacted by a local farmer who might have some excess fruit which is waste or returns from a supermarket. So one amazing thing that we do here is we can turn that into a gin. So we've done things like damson, we've done spiced red currant, and we use Bevica to see what stock available we've got of other fruit gins.
Given current conditions, businesses are looking to reinvent supply chains and manage supply and demand signals in real time. Bevica is a solution tailored for the beverage industry, built on Dynamics 365 Business Central by TVision Technology. It integrates with O365, Power Apps, Power BI, as well as retail, e-commerce and warehousing. It's helping businesses like Silent Pool modernise functions like sales, marketing, HR, finance and supply chain and operations.